Hey guys, it's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. Let's bake chocolate chip cookies. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium-sized bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it up and set aside. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of softened butter, 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix that up. Beat in 1 large egg until combined. Mix the flour mixture we set aside earlier into the wet mixture.
Feelings like this never end.
Then stir in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all.
Don't be afraid to get in there with your hands if it's a bit hard to stir like mine was.
'Cause as we're growing older, darling.
Next, we're going to drop rounded cookie dough balls about 3 inches apart on the cookie sheet. I used my ice cream scooper to measure, but you want them to be about 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie. They're ready to pop in the oven. Bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. Time to check on them. When they're ready, they'll be light brown around the edges. Serve with a nice glass of milk. Thanks so much for making cookies with me. See you next time! They're really good.
They look really good. Yeah, you gotta milk it.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think we synchronized the tracks.
All right.
Looking good.